Hello, beautiful people. I'm here to talk with you about anxiety. So many people deal with anxiety, and when you're stuck in that feeling of anxiousness, it feels like you're stuck and there is nothing you can do, and you're not able to shift your attention anywhere else, but feeling like you almost want to get out of this body. Most people, when they're anxious, they do something to distract themselves. They go to call a friend, they smoke some weed, they go out, they do different things that distracts them. However, the best way to deal with anxiety is to confront anxiety. And the way to confront anxiety is by breathing into the area of tension. Maybe you don't know where your tension is. So I suggest that you start by breathing into 3 different parts of your body: your belly, your solar plexus where your ribs meet, and the center of your chest. Take a few deep breaths into each area, and as you're breathing, I want you to actually focus on stretching that area, so stretching your belly when you're breathing, and then when you're exhaling, I want you to exhale all the way out. Do that in each area for a few minutes, or 10 breaths or 5 breaths, and start to notice, how are these areas different? Is there an area that you feel more of a tension? Or is there an area where you feel more peaceful? Once you can localize the place where you feel your anxiety, you're going to be able to break it apart. You're going to be able to confront it, and then you're able to overcome it. For most people, where they feel their anxiety is in their solar plexus. For some people, it's in their heart. So I suggest going into that place and take deep breaths, and with each breath go a little bit deeper. When you're taking the breaths, you may feel yourself being distracted with thoughts. I have a few suggestions for you. The first one is, on the exhale, give it a voice. So as you inhale, and as you exhale, give it a voice. And by focusing on your own voice, you're able to basically focus your attention into your body and into your voice instead of the thought patterns that can perpetuate the anxiety. The other thing that you can do is to focus your attention on the sensory sensations of the feelings that are coming up. You will have thoughts. The mind is made to create thoughts. But as you practice and as you enhance your sense of feeling your different parts of body, your awareness will enhance and you'll be able to feel more of your body. Another technique that you can do is to go into the area of peace where you feel peaceful. So let's say that you went in these 3 areas, and in your heart, it feels like you have more space here, you have more breath here, it feels like it's easier to breathe here. So go into that space, tap into that feeling of peacefulness, that calmness, the resourcefulness, and then build a bridge and take that peacefulness into the area where you feel the tension. And you can do this a few times to build a bridge and create, to almost like shift that feeling of peacefulness from here to here. These are just few techniques that you can use to overcome anxiety. Anxiety is a state of being, and you can totally change that state of being by your breath alone. Breath work changes your cognition. It changes your autonomic nervous system of when it goes into fight and flight, and it's easily able to take you from the state of fight and flight into the state of rest and digest. I hope you do these techniques. If you have any questions, post it on comments and subscribe to my channels for more tools that I will share with you. Thank you.